Couscous is a really versatile staple to have in the pantry. It's also really fast to prepare, and there's so many different flavours that go with it. I'll measure out 1 cup of couscous into a bowl. And then we need to add some liquid. Now usually you would just use some boiling water, but to add some extra flavour, I'm going to use a continental stock pot. This is a chicken stock, and we're going to dilute it in our boiling water. I'll grab a whisk and then whisk that into the water, and it'll instantly flavour it. Now I'll add a small knob of butter into the dried couscous, and then we'll cover it with our stock. And while it's still piping hot, I'll get some cling wrap and we'll cover that and just allow all of that couscous to absorb that chicken stock. This is only going to take a few minutes. Couscous has swirled, it's absorbed all of that stock, and the butter has almost melted. I'll take the cling wrap off, and then the best way to separate all the grains is to use a fork and just gently grate the top of the couscous, and you'll see it separate. If you use a spoon to mix all of this together, what will happen is you'll get some clumps. Now this as is delicious, just on the side of a stew or a roast, or you can make this the hero of the dish by adding lots of fresh herbs, some almonds that I've toasted, I'm not even going to chop them, the freshness of 1 tomato that I've finely diced, and for a little zing, some lemon zest. I'll grate that straight into the bowl. Perfect. Now we can give that a mix. Just fold it all in so those grains stay really light. And because we've used chicken stock, the best thing to add to this is some leftover shredded chicken. It works a treat, and it's fantastic to have for a really quick lunch. Done.